Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ALCATEL 3T10 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. We can do it using directly our contact list, so we can block a number which is currently saved, or by using kind of dialer settings. Of course, I'll show you both options, and I'd like to begin with the contacts. So simply enter your contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on block numbers. And your device will ask you if you really want to block the number. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and simply tap on block. And as you can see, your device will immediately show this characteristic icon. What's more, it is notified here that from now on this number is obviously blocked and you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this particular number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way here just by tapping on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So now we can go back to the contacts, and in the second way of blocking the number, it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon and enter the settings. Now we have to tap on blocked numbers, and we just successfully entered the block list. So here we've got the number we just blocked from our contacts, so everything went fine. And I forgot to tell you at the very beginning of the video, the second way, so the way I'm showing you right now, will allow you to add a number manually, so you don't have to have the number saved. So let's tap on add a number, and as you can see here, you can simply enter the number you want to block. Let's tap on done and tap on block, and as you can see, it will actually immediately appear on the block list, which again means that you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. What's more, we've got the option unknown right here. We can turn it on or off just by tapping on the switcher here, and after turning it on, your device will be allowed to block all calls from unidentified callers, so it may be quite useful. So if you'd like to unblock the number, nothing easier, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your ALCATEL 3T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.